Hello friends, welcome to the Java Learner YouTube channel. Today we will see basic Java interview questions and answer. So list of questions we will see. First question is what is the Java? Why Java is a platform independent language? Why Java is not 100% object oriented programming language? Internal working of the Java program. What is the class loader? Explain memory management in the Java. Why main method is static? What is static in the Java? What are the object class methods? Which one is superclass in the Java? How many way we can create object in the Java? What is JIT compiler? What is constructor and its type? What is use of super and this keyword? Explain OOPS concept. Explain the access modifier in the Java. So all those questions we will see in detail one by one. Let's get started from first question. So first question, what is the Java? So Java is an object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystem in 1919 and now maintained by Oracle. So Java is used for the developing the mobile application as well as web application. So nowadays we can use Java language for developing the IoT based application also. Java is known for the simplicity, robustness, portable, multi-threading, and security features. So Java applications are compiled to bytecode that can run on any Java virtual machine. So that's why Java is a platform independent language. So next question we will see why Java is the platform independent language. So Java is a platform independent language because Java compiler compile Java code into the bytecode that can be run any machine with the Java virtual machine. This means that you can write Java code on the one platform like Windows and run it on another platform like Mac or Linux without needing to change code or recompile it for the new platform. So that's why Java is a platform independent language. So Java also called write once and run anywhere language. Next question is why Java is not 100% object oriented programming language. So Java is not 100 oriented programming language because of Java support primitive data type like integer, character, byte, short, long, float, double and boolean. So that are not object, that are the primitive data type. And second reason, static keyword. So when we declare a class as a static, that it can be used without use of object in the Java. So if we are using static as a function or static variable, then we can't call the function or variable by using the dot operator. Class object defining object oriented feature. So that the two reasons Java is not 100% of object oriented programming language. So next question is internal working of the Java program. So how the internally Java program run? So first of all, we can write Java program using any editor like Notepad or any IDE tools. So there is a Java source file like a file name is a.java. So Java compiler compile that source file into the byte code. So that byte code we can call as a dot class file. So Java compiler compile that source file into byte code, and that byte code we can run anywhere. So that byte code as is a platform independent code. So that byte code we can run any platform. So means if we are writing Java code in one operating system, and after compiling that bytecode or that dot class file we can run any machine. After creating the bytecode, the Java virtual machine come in picture. So Java virtual machine have a three blocks like a class loader, bytecode verifier, and the JIT compiler. So class loader load the classes dynamically, then it bytecode verify that classes, and JIT compiler used for the compilation purpose. It's enough fast. Using JIT compiler, Java virtual machine convert that bytecode into the native machine code. So that's the how the internal working of the Java program. So next question is what is the class loader and its principle. So that's one is the very important question interviewer will ask in the interview many times. So we will see in detail what is the class loader and its principle. So the class loader is a part of Java runtime environment that load Java classes into the Java virtual machine at a runtime. There are three types of class loader in the Java. So first one is bootstrap class loader, second one is extension class loader, and third one is application class loader. So Bootstrap class loader load the classes from the GRE library rt.jar file, and extension class loader load the classes from GRE library extension or Java extension .directory file. And the application class loader is also called as a system class loader. It's load the classes from class path and the -cp and the -class path from that particular location. So there are three type of principle of class loader. First one is a delegation model, second one is a visibility model, and third one is a uniqueness property. So all those are three are principle of class loaders. So first one is a delegation model. So class loader follow the delegation hierarchy algorithm. Means when the JVM encounter the class, it check if the already loaded. If not, it delegate the loading process through a chain of class loader. So delegation hierarchy start from the application class loader, then move to the platform class loader, and finally to the Bootstrap class loader. Each class loader is the hierarchy search for the class in the defined location and delegates the search if necessary. One principle is visibility principle. Visibility principle means classes loaded by parent class loader are visible to the child class loader but not vice versa. This ensures encapsulations and prevent conflict between classes loaded by the different class loaders. And third one is uniqueness property. So uniqueness property means class loaders ensure that classes are loaded only once to maintain uniqueness. If a parent class loader cannot find a class, only then the current instance attempt to load it. So we will see actually working of the class loader. So first of all, JVM request to the class loader subsystem to check the classes available in the class loader. So class loader subsystem request to the application class loader. So application class loader delegate the request to the extension class loader. So extension class loader delegate the request to the Bootstrap class loader. So Bootstrap class loader find the class in the Bootstrap class path. If a class is available, then it's load from the Bootstrap class loader, and the class is not available, then it also delegate the request to the child class loader, that now name is extension class loader. So extension class loader find the class in the extension class path. If the class is available, then it will be loaded, and if class is not available, then extension class loader delegate the request to the application class loader. Then application class loader find the class in the application class path. If application class path the particular class is available, then it loaded from the application class loader, or if the class is not available in the application class loader, then it will be through the exception and class not found exception. So this is the hierarchy, actually the working of the class loader. So first of all, we can see here the delegation model. That means whenever JVM send the request to the class loader subsystem, it will delegate the request from a child to parent. Like first of all, request come to the application, then extension, then Bootstrap. If not available class, then also return the request, delegate the request. So the delegation algorithm work in the class loader. Second principle, we see visibility principle. So visibility principle said that the class loaded by the parent class loader is visible to the child class loader, but a class loaded by the child class loader is not visible to the parent class loader. Suppose a class a dot class has been loaded by the extension class loader, then that class is visible to the extension class loader and the application class loader, but not too visible to the Bootstrap class loader. If that class is again tried to load using Bootstrap class loader, it gives an exception. Java.language.class not found exception will throw. And third principle, we see uniqueness property. So uniqueness property ensures that the classes are unique and thus no repetition of classes. This also ensures that the classes loaded by parent class loader are not loaded by the child class loader. If the parent class is loaded isn't able to find the class, only then the current instance would attempt to do it itself.